You know, these days we all seem to be interested in not only where our food comes from, but we also want to know more about the people behind it. So in salute of August being National Catfish Month, we met up with the Wilson family, who has been farming catfish for generations.
Hello, my name is Dean Wilson Jr. Everybody knows me as Butch, and the name of my farm is Dean Wilson Farms. I got two kids, the daughter, Depot, she's married to Willard, and Willard manages the farm here, along with my son, Travis Wilson.
We have 450 acres of catfish that are in production this year.
Travis Wilson and I share the responsibilities of running the farm. We both work diligently at maintaining the catfish, raising the catfish.
We feed them natural grain. There's no hormones, there's no additives. We just feel like it's the safest fish in the world.
When they talked about being a U.S. farm-raised catfish farmer, the words ethical, family, sustainability, and pride came up over and over.
So I think about how lucky we are to have something that's been in our family for so many generations. And I take great pride in the fact that my family helps to produce for our friends and for our neighbors.
And so you can give this all-American favorite a try. We came up with a fresh-tasting fish taco that highlights U.S. farm-raised catfish. It's simple to make, fun to serve, and is a classic that you'll probably make over and over again. The recipe for what we call our crazy good catfish tacos is online now. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a fresh from the farm way for you to say, ooh, it's so good. Mm-mm.